Saberification systems are go.
Master Windu!
Okay, so I know you don't need a blade tube, but I'm just going to ship it in this blade tube here from Makoto, which I don't need anyway. So with the Makoto foam is in there, and then you can just like pull out the assembly right here when you're ready to install onto your own blade. But I'm just going to show you a test. I left room at the end here for a parabolic blade tip, which is the one I suggest you use. It's really nice. It slides over some of the LEDs there, so you get a really good diffusion. Okay, well, I really hope you enjoy finishing off this blade. You can use it with any type of like photon tube, enhanced tube, and tips, or clear or trans white from the Custom Saber shop. So I'll ship it this way, which is just a piece of foam at the end just to hold the assembly inside this this just shipping style blade that you don't need to use. And this is going to slide off. This foam here is going to slide off that way. It's just here to protect the Neopixel end in the shipping.